Welcome to Consumer Awakening Mission. We are here with the subject, your insured car has met with an accident and your claim has been rejected. So we would like to divide this case of claim in two categories. Number one, where your documents are deficient and insurance company rejects your claim, and another is you do not follow prescribed procedure for claim. Under first category, you understand there are three very important documents which are required to be shown to the insurance company or to be submitted before the company. That is, one is registration. The first document is registration, RC. Second is your driving license, and third is your insurance policy. Coming to the first document, that is RC, we don't find much difficulty when your car is new and it has been taken from the showroom directly. In such cases, when you buy the car, there is an arrangement with the dealers to apply your RC there and you will get one slip that you have already applied for the RC. If you have got this slip with you, in case before you get the RC, some unfortunate situation occurs, in that case you are not liable or you are not responsible, because that slip will save you if you do not have RC. But in cases where you have purchased a second-hand car, all forms you have signed and you have taken from the buyer all the documents, but before getting possession you have not got your vehicle registered in your name. See, here you make the mistake, because in both ways both the parties will suffer in case registration is not completed. Better not to take possession. First you get your papers submitted before the registration office, get it registered, you get the vehicle in your name, get the vehicle under your possession, and other party also should not pass the possession until and unless vehicle is registered in the next person's name. Why? See, in case registration is not complete and something unfortunate happens, challan will go to the person who is having registration in his name. If something criminal offense occurs, somebody picks up your vehicle and commits some crime, and later on who will be responsible? The person who has already sold but registration is not yet transferred to the other person. This is one part. Another part is, if registration is not in your name and something wrong goes, in that case insurance company will have many issues. Number one, first of all, insurance company has got the rule that in case vehicle is insured in other party's name and it has not been transferred to your name, the claim will go to the person who is having registration of the vehicle. Number two, in case you have still gone for insurance in your name, in that case also insurance company takes the plea that registration document is very necessary. Although I understand before the courts what happens, sometimes consumer court also grills insurance company that your agent has done this mistake, when it is very necessary to see the document RC in the name of the person. Till then you will not give them insurance, but you have done it. Sometimes agents see, okay, RC will be registered in your name, it is in the process, so it doesn't matter, you get insurance. But number of problems are coming before the consumer courts where registration is in the earlier person's name and insurance is in your name. This dispute goes on, though some courts favor the insured person, but still it is a dispute, it is not a rule. Rule is that RC should be in your name. Now coming to the next point, that is your driving license. Driving license is very important document. It should be complete in all respects. It should not be expired, and in case it has crossed the due date, you should have applied for it and you will get one slip that you have applied for renewal. I say renewal of the driving license, because renewal does not make much difficulty. You are already driving license you have got, and renewal is just a process. So if you have applied for renewal, doesn't matter, you can show it and your claim will not be rejected. But in case your driving license is expired and you are not applied for, then you will not get your claim. That is very clear. Here we will explain one more issue for third party accident. In case with your vehicle, third party meets with an accident and there is damage to third party, in that case insurance company will give claim to the third party but may refuse or can refuse to you for damage to your vehicle. That is the law. There are two very important landmark judgments by the Supreme Court on this issue. One is your damage will not be covered but third party will get their compensation. That is your driving license. Now coming to the insurance policy. That is also very important document. Your insurance policy should be complete in all respects. From which date to which date it operates, it should be very clear. And if your accident or any unfortunate situation occurs, that should be within that period. Your premium is paid, you have got a policy. Sometimes it happens that you have got a proposal form signed, you have issued a check, and insurance company has not deposited the check for months or so, and it is lying with the insurance company or it is lying with the agent. In between, if something happens, you are not responsible, because it is the responsibility of the agent or the insurance company to submit the check whenever they want to do so. But in case in between your check has been dishonored, your policy is no policy. In such cases, you will not get the claim. That is very clear. So friends, we have explained you the entire issue about the documents. Next time we will come back to you with the issue when you do not follow the procedure. So friends, if you like our discussion, you subscribe our channel, share our video to the maximum groups, and like if you really like it. We will come back again with a new issue. Thanks.